Solve 2 cos x plus pi by 2 plus 1 equal to 0, where x lie in the interval 0 to pi. Here they told you to solve, means you need to find the values for x. Satisfying this equation, and also it should lie in the interval 0 to pi. Here you have pi. That means you should get the answer in radians. For that, put your calculator in radians mode. I repeat, put your calculator in radians mode. Now, the given equation is 2 cos x plus pi by 2 plus 1 equal to 0. Here you have cos. So now you make cos the subject. For that, remove all the connections connected to it. First, to remove plus 1, you subtract 1. So we get 2 cos x plus pi by 2 equal to minus 1. Now you should remove 2. To remove 2, you divide by 2. We get cos x plus pi by 2 equal to minus 1 by 2. Now to get the values for this, here we have cos and it is negative. So now you should check in what all quadrants is cos negative. It is all silver tea cups. Cos is negative in the second and in the third. So now x plus pi by 2 equal to get an angle in the second quadrant, we should do pi minus cos inverse 1 by 2. To get an angle in the third quadrant, we should do pi plus 1 by 2. Now, remember this, the negative sign here is only used for selecting the quadrants. Once quadrants have been selected, do not place negative sign again here. Remember that. Now, x plus pi by 2 equal to, before you calculate these two, make sure your calculator is in radians mode. Now, put this in the calculator, you should get 2 pi by 3. Place this in the calculator, you should get 4 pi by 3. Now, the question arises, in what interval should the values of this lie? Question 2. How many values shall I find for this? To answer that, we should do this. Here x lie in the interval 0 to pi. We need x plus pi by 2. To get this, we should add pi by 2 everywhere. So we get pi by 2 less than x plus pi by 2 less than pi plus pi by 2 will result in 3 pi by 2. Now x plus pi by 2 values should lie in this interval. When this happens, then automatically the values for x will lie in this interval. Am I clear? Now we should get all the values for this in this interval. Now, does 2 pi by 3 lie in that interval? Yes, so accepted. Does 4 pi by 3 lie in this interval? Yes, accepted. Now to get another value, add 2 pi to this. When I add 2 pi, I get a value. This do not lie in this interval, so you reject it. Now to get the values for x, we should get rid of this plus pi by 2. So to get rid of this plus pi by 2, you subtract pi by 2. Now here this cancel out, we get x. Put this in the calculator, you should get pi by 6. Place this in the calculator, you should get 5 pi by 6. This is our answer. Am I clear?